back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I am totally chilling today. It's 1st of April. So all of you must have already heard about SSS, which is street style shopping. Already you guys must have shopped or heard about it somewhere or the other way. I did the same, and I kinda like the designs. They have super awesome designs for super cheap prices. You get like 3 for $9.99, 4 for $9.99, and they're super good. I mean, I love the styles and the designs. They are like super on point and trendy. So I really wanted to just check if they are good with the quality and also the fit. So I posted this poll on my Instagram stories, and 71% of you guys said buy and 29% of you guys said don't buy. So I got a lot of good comments about them. I got very mean comments about them. So I thought, why shouldn't I try it myself and really see and also record it? I got a lot of comments regarding their timing, the delivery timing. They take like almost a month or so, and also some of them were like the fit is really nice, some of them were like the fit was not good at all, the quality was bad, and some of them said quality was good. So yeah, today is 31st of March and I'm super chilling today, so I thought, why not, I'll just go through their website and order one for myself. So yeah, let's go. So as you guys see, I opened the website here on my laptop. So there are different kind of deals. They have 99 shoe store. They have 3 for $8.99. They have 4 for $9.99. Let me just see what I can get. The designs are like dope. I love the way they are, and the prices are so cheap. It's for like $3.99, $4.99. Oh my god, look at those. I really like the floral prints that they have here. They have so many of them. So I like these block heels. They're in brown color, but my size isn't available. So 39 is not available. I think we have it in 36, but in black color. So I am going to get these, and yeah, let me just get through all the shipping and all that stuff and get back to you after I receive them. Hey guys, so this is 6th of April and I've ordered on 31st of March, and I got this parcel just in a week. Like, I wasn't expecting it at all, because a lot of you guys told me that it definitely is going to take 1 month or more than that, minimum of 1 month, but I got the product in 6 days. That's so cool. So I was dying with curiosity, so I had to open this. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. So as you open this, the footwear I got is in this way. I'm actually shooting this video on like 8th of April because I wore this footwear the whole day yesterday, and I really wanted to do a test of how comfortable it is or not. So yeah, I did the wear test also. So for the results, wait till the ending. Yeah, the packaging is really nice, and here is the footwear. Let's talk about the fitting now. So there are a lot of complaints before saying that the fit is not really great. So I saw the size chart on their website and then chose my size, like 23.5 centimeters, which turns into 36 in their website. So I got that, and it fits me magically. It's exactly the same size, and they look exactly the same as in the picture. I'll put the picture over here. They kinda look little shiny compared to the picture. It's not matte. So I really like the pleather on this footwear. But the only thing I didn't really like, and maybe this can be a problem, is I'll show you guys the closure version. Can you see? Yeah. So there is this, do you see the bump over here? So basically they have glued it inside like so. So I'm really scared that as I'm walking or I've used it so many times, this might come off like quickly, maybe. I'm not really sure. It's there with all sides, wherever it's glued, like it's there with every side. So I'm not really sure if this is going to stay for a long time, but for the price, I think it's a good buy. I'm gonna show you the clipping of how it looks on my feet now. So this is how it looks. They are super comfortable. I can style them with my ethnic wear and I really love them. Just that maybe the strap might come off if we use it a lot. That is also not really sure. Follow me on my Instagram so that I'll keep you updated how this is actually working. So I wore this for a whole day yesterday and it didn't really hurt my feet. It was really nice and it was super comfortable. Again, it depends on what exactly you're looking for. I'm okay with this kind of footwear, and for this much price, I think it's a great deal. I just realized that I didn't start recording off my mic. I'm sorry for the audio quality before this one. I think this is fine. So talk about few things that you guys mentioned after I posted this story asking if I should buy a product from Street Style store or not. So the few things that you guys were mentioning is the size. So I told you the size is super perfect. The second thing is the delivery. A lot of people mention that it's definitely is going to take 1 month and it's the only problem. But trust me, I got it in 1 month. Maybe a few of the products, they are not available in her warehouse, so you know that's the reason they take time, but this came real quick. The third thing you guys were talking about is the sturdiness. It's super hard on your feet, but then nope, I didn't feel anything. And the fourth thing you guys were talking about is the quality of the product. As I was saying, I'm just really disappointed with the sticking quality of it, that you know the bump you see on the footwear, the sole of it. I'm just disappointed with that. I hope it doesn't really get destroyed soon. So yeah, I am in love with this product. I'm definitely going to shop more from the store and see how the flats are, because you get 3 in 999 and 4 in 999, so I really want to try those. So yeah, I'm gonna rate the product now. So for the delivery and the fitting, I would give it a 9 because it's amazing. And the only thing is the quality. I would give it a 7. I think they can do better, but it's great at this price. So with that said, I'm gonna end this video right here, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm gonna end this video right here. And I'm really sorry for the audio quality before. I am such a douchebag. I actually forgot to record. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Close till I get up.